Okay, y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Here we are going to teach you how to play the keyboard very well. We are coming to learn how to play it very well. So get your ears and your earpiece and everything attached and listen very well. Okay, so this video I'm just going to teach you how to find the key. I've seen that a lot of keyboardists their problem is how to find the key. So yes, I'm going to teach you how to find the key. The simplest way to find the key. Voila. We are going to teach you from beginner stage to advanced. From beginners to intermediate to advanced. What I say? Okay, so in finding the key, you find the key to every song. There are some simple tricks. There's a notation that every song ends in do. So if you are a beginner, you there just relax yourself. Wait, and the song will finish. Wait for the first line of the song to finish. So there's a notation that the song ends with do. So when the song finishes, then that will be your do. That sound will be your do, and you search for the do on the keyboard, and use the transpose. So with this method, let's go with this method first. So I'm going to play the song, then we take the do sound, then transpose to the keyboard. Okay. Listen very well to the song. So from that song you can see the wo. That's the wo. So you search for the wo sound there. So when you are searching, just press the key 1 and listen very well. Wo. It's not this one. Wo. As you can see, this one. Wo. So you have to press 1 and listen very well whether it's matching with the sound, do sound. So that will be what? From here that will be +9, but +9 is too sharp for us. So let's go with -3 here. So and teach you the transpose too. So with the transpose, I'm playing on F. So when you're playing on F, so you just press the F key, then the target key too. So this is the target key and this is the F key. So since I'm playing on F, I'll transpose 1, 2, 3. You count 1, 2, 3 backwards to the key. So that's -3 for you. But if it's here, if it's above the F, it will be plus. So since it's below -3, so just come to the keyboard, transpose -3, 1, 2, 3. So so let's play a song and see it. Okay, you can see it's following. Yeah, so that's how you find the key. That's the simplest. If you are a beginner, that's the simplest way to find the key. Just wait for the song to land on the do, then you grab the do, then just find for the key. Okay, but with that method, you realize that they have to sing this. So you have to relax. When they sing it, you have to relax before the song ends, before you can find the key. And that one it seems a delay. So when you begin progressing in advancing, there's a method you can also use. Sometimes when you know the melody of the song is singing, you know the melody of the song, you can just detect that, oh, this song has gone to read, has gone to fight, has gone to this. So anytime they just start singing, they just know the melody of the song. You can just know, oh, at this point the song is at do, at this point the song is at fa. So when the song is at fa and the song hasn't reached the do yet, so you can just search for the fa instead, then count back, trace back. So let's say this one. That's me. That's do. Oh, that's re. So when it's around this side, then you know that to it for the song to end is delay now. You can just find the re. You can just find the re there. Then just use so I've already transposed it, so it's already at re. So that method still is there. So let's go to another method. Let me change the song. Okay, so with this method, this song, okay. So this method too, you don't wait for the song to end. You have to keep the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do in your mind. So when the song just comes now, then you transpose, you transcode the song in your head, then already know the ti, do of the song before the song will even get to ti, do ending. let's say let me take this one for example. So yeah, with this one, so with this song, so yeah, oh T-do, just take a T-do from there. So with a T-do song from T-do, so that's 2. So plus 2 here, 1, 2. You see? So yeah, nice one. Nice one. Yeah, so that's the easiest method to find the key of the song. So just what, as a beginner, just wait for the do sound, pick the do sound, grab the key, use your transpose. That's all.